In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Wix, fast and easy, a tutorial specifically designed for beginners using the Wix website builder. First things first, to start, open your web browser and simply type in Wix into your preferred search engine. This will bring up a selection of search results. From there, you'll want to click on the official Wix.com link, which should be among the top search results. Once you've clicked on the Wix website, you may be prompted to log in or create an account if you haven't already. If you're a new user, don't worry. Setting up your account is straightforward, and Wix guides you through with prompts on each page to make it as easy as possible. Now that you're in, you'll find yourself on your site's dashboard or in the Wix editor, depending on where you left off last. In the Wix editor, which is a user-friendly visual drag-and-drop interface, let's dive into adding some text. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen, and there you'll see the option to Add, or sometimes it might say Add Section. Click on it. This opens up a sidebar with various elements you can add to your website. After clicking Add, look for the Add Element option. Click on that, and you'll find an array of elements available for you to place on your site, from images and videos to buttons and text. Our focus today is on text, so click on the Text option. You'll be given a variety of text types to choose from, such as headings, paragraph text, or even stylized text from Wix's font collection, allowing you to select the type that best fits your design needs. Once you've selected your desired text type, click it, and it will appear on your page. Position it wherever you like, and then it's all about customization. Double-click on the text box that appears on your page to begin editing it. You can type in the content that you wish to showcase here and use the text editor tools to adjust the styling, size, font, color, and alignment to suit your website's design scheme. With your text placed and styled to perfection, it's important not to forget the final step: clicking Publish. By publishing, you ensure that your changes are saved and visible on your live website. You'll find the Publish button commonly located at the top right corner within the Wix editor. After you've clicked it, your text is officially part of your website, ready for your audience to see. And that's it. You've now successfully added text to your Wix site quickly and easily. With practice, this process will become a seamless part of your web design routine. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to check out other Wix tutorials for more helpful tips to enhance your website designing skills. See you next time.